In this video I'll go looking for a lifer, a bird that I have never seen, in a pile of steaming crap. This day actually started out with me seeing these hawfinches high up in a tree right outside of my window. Really cool birds that use their big powerful beaks to open fruit kernels. A good start to what would become an even better day. The lifer I'm looking for is a black redstart. When I arrived, I met some birders going home who said that the black redstart was at the birding tower a bit further away. I hung out there for a while with no luck. It is a beautiful place though, so I didn't mind spending some time. This is a farm, riding school and a nature reserve open to the public that has some really beautiful surroundings. I made my way back and the black redstart had returned to the compost piles. I've never seen or photographed a black redstart, so I really wanted a good photograph when I had the chance. But I also wanted a video, and it was quite the challenge to do both, especially when the bird didn't stay still for long. In Sweden, these birds are mainly found in industrial areas, harbors and farms, but in southern Europe they breed in mountain areas. I usually don't want poles or other man-made things in my photos, but given that these species thrive in industrial areas, I actually don't mind as much. They usually arrive in Sweden around April-May, so this bird being here in February is quite early. According to the seasoned birds I met on site, it flies by about once a year and stays for a few days, so it is quite rare around here. So I've been mostly hanging out at this pile of horse shit today, because that's where this black redstart mostly have been. It also has been hanging around on poles and stuff like that, but mostly at the pile of horse shit. I came for the black redstart and I have seen one, which was great. But I mean, this nature reserve is also really beautiful, and it's nice just to be here.